Gladys, Miguel, and the kids. I'm so very sorry I cannot attend your most awaiting and important time in your life. You know, already when I went there, I told you, if my health will prevail, I am going to return. But right now, I cannot travel anymore. Even in Singapore, I cannot travel for 3 hours. I cannot travel anymore because of my feet operation. So I wish you all the luck, love, success, and loving each other always for the rest of your life. I know, Miguel, you can give all the happiness in life to your kids and to your children. I know you personally now. Miguel, thank you again. Thank you so much. My regards to my kisses to the children, especially to Celeste, whom I have not seen yet. My regards to Ellen and Anton. They are so nice parents to both of you. I hope for the rest of our life we will always be busy. How about coming here by December so you could attend our birthday at our Christmas celebration? Bring all the kids so that they can also enjoy Christmas in the Philippines. Again, I am inviting you to come by December so that we could see each other again. Good luck, Miguel. Good luck. And thank you always for taking care of and loving the kids and your wife.